Dogs, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with UNice Hair Company. Received is a curly 24-inch HD lace front toe, a 13x4, and 150 density. I'm cutting off the ear tabs. The thing I like about this wig is that the lace is super thin and it's undetectable. It's a very nice lace and it's very soft, so it's easy to pluck hair and also bleach if you would like it, but I did not bleach this one. Now I'm going to start customizing the wig to my head shape. This wig is very good for beginners and it is a very good choice. The glue I will link down below. I got it from Amazon, but you can also do this unit as a glueless unit, but because I'm keeping it on for about a week, I want it to stay on tight. So I'm just plucking along the hairline just so it looks a little bit more natural because I am doing dramatic baby hairs. I did already use glue, but I like to go in with a little bit of the even lace front spray just to give it a tighter hold. that the glue and spray is dry, I am cutting the lace off in a zigzag motion so I can start on the baby hairs. I am trimming the baby hairs, but I do want it a little bit more dramatic, so I'm leaving them longer. So now this is just to curl the tips of the baby hairs just so you can get that wave motion. I'm going in with a lot of body, not gel on my edges. Now it's time to start styling this wig. I was going to leave it as a middle part or two pigtails, but I'm going in and I'm just doing half up, half down. Quick and easy video. I really hope you enjoyed the video, dolls. This is UNice Hair Company. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.